14-foot deep V-bottom bass boat here. This thing is ready to fish. String up your fishing poles now. Come over here, rush me the money, get on the lake. This thing started for the first time this season. We had it packed away last season and for the winter. Come out here this summer, first time today, this thing cranked right up, no questions asked. 5-gallon fuel tank here. Got a nice marine battery in there. Inside the battery tank, my gorgeous wife is sitting on the live well. It has the live well pump and everything. Kind of looks like this. She's trying to show it to you. You won't be able to see anything. We've got 10 rod holders that my dad installed on here. This is my dad's boat, and I'm putting it on for him. We've got 2 anchors. Look at this. Look at this sunset over there, folks. We're on Lake Murray. Have you ever been here? Come. You'll treat yourself. This water is clear. It's great to ski on, fish on, swim in, scuba dive, whatever you want to do. It's a beautiful lake, 14,000 acres. See sunsets. If that clouds wasn't blocking it, you see a gorgeous sunset, typical Oklahoma sunset. Won't find it anywhere else in the world. Trust me, come check it out. This boat has lights on both ends. It has a fish finder that I don't have out yet. I forgot to put it out. I'll show it to you later so you can see. I'm also going to show you the trailer that comes with this thing. This trailer fits like a glove. I have this boat tuned down right now. That way you can hear me, all the wind out here. I'm going to crank it up. I'm going to let you see the weight that this boat puts out. It jumps up and planes. It's just begging to run, this boat. So, hey, check out this trolling motor. Endura Max, Minn Kota, brand spanking new. Come out of the box last year. 55-pound thrust. It's 3-speed back, 5-speed forward, typical. Got a 25-horse Mercury on this thing. Look at this Mercury. My dad put an electric start on it. It was regularly just full start. My dad put an electric start because he is sick of pulling the rope to start it. That cost him a good $500–600. Anybody that knows about that knows how that goes. So it's ready to go along those lines. Hey, this thing is ready to fish. Check out this wake. I'm going to crank it up for you. Check it out. Look how quick this thing is planing out. I mean, we are already planed out. 25 horse. We are rolling. Check this thing out. This thing is ready to fish. Look at the wake right here alongside of it. Just spitting water up off down both sides. Look at this. Look at the wake behind it. Look at that rooster tail. 25 horse is picking up a rooster tail, folks. All right, folks. Here it is trailered. Check this thing out. 2018 tags this year. This here is Friday, March the 23rd, 2018. Just want you to know, brand spanking new video. Put this thing out today. You saw it run. Saw the wake, the rooster tail. Had a little bit of malfunction videoing, so I had to cut it short there at the end, but you've seen it in action. Mercury, 25 horse, Minn Kota, 55-pound thrust. This thing is just a great fishing boat. Sits 4 people comfortably. Doesn't even bog down. This trailer fits like a glove. Good lights, good wheels, good tires, nice spare. Has anchors on both front and back. Look at these seats on this thing. These seats are in excellent condition. They've been sat on fish with. There's not a hole, not a rip. Look at this thing, front and back on these seats, front and back. Right here, storage right here. Right there's a battery storage. Right there's a live well, has a pump inside of it. Look at this seat. Front and back, folks. So, have a motor pro, so you don't have to do it all by yourself. Motor just great motor. Tagged. Got title for both motor and boat. So, hey, listen, if you have any questions, message me, call me. Come down and check this thing out, but when you do, bring cash. You won't leave without it. It's that good of a boat. All right? Talk to you later. By the way, look at this Oklahoma sunset. Isn't that gorgeous? Lake Murray. This here's Lake Murray, Oklahoma. Here's a guy over here fishing. I seen him catch one a little bit ago. Right when he's getting it up to the dock, he lost it. I have no idea what it was. I'm guessing a sand bass. Nice. All these kids out here fishing. Just family friendly. This place, no vacancy when it comes to the peak season. Right now is the time to come. It's still gorgeous outside. Check this out. Alrighty, folks.